Hi lovelies, you're welcome to Delicious Kitchen, sharing the best and the easiest way to prepare your Agoyin sauce. And this is not only good for beans, it goes well with whatever you want to eat. Let's get it started. Those are the onions I'll be using today. I'm going to cut them to small pieces so that I can blend it easily with my blender. For the diasporans, we only have a blender at home and we always cut our onions for easy blending like this. So that is it. After that, now I'm going to pour this direct into my mixer. What I have here is my dried crayfish. Yes, this is dried crayfish. You are going to love it. Even if you have dried fish, you can also use it. All I need to do now is to rinse it and add it to the onions in the blender. I added some water and I blended. That's what I have. That is my onion mixture, onion and crayfish. Okay, that's what I have there. And I will be using this crushed chilies. It's the easiest way to make your Agoyin sauce. I'm telling you, this makes it a lot easier and the result is absolutely amazing. So all I need to do now is to pour the amount of the chili I'll be using into this bowl. You can see how it looks. This is chili flakes. It is not smoothly blended. It's super for it. Now I'm going to add some water on top of it because this is extra hot. To reduce the hotness, I always rinse it. Yes, pour some water on it. Now get your sieve and sieve just like this. So that is it. You can see how the water looks. That's water. I'm just going to throw it away. I only need the pepper. So into a pot, I'll be pouring palm oil and I'll be adding vegetable oil into it. I love this mixture. I'm going to heat it up a bit and I will add the chili into it, and I added the onion and crayfish mixture into it as well. Now I mix it thoroughly. After that, I allowed it to cook openly like this. Once it starts to bubble, I make sure that I stir it occasionally and I turn down the heat and allow it to fry on the middle heat. It's from stage to stage. You see the difference. Now that's the second stage. You can still see the foam on top of the oil. Everything is going to disappear as soon as the water dries out of this pepper. Yes, once you have this, you can see on top of it there's nothing like foam anymore. You are getting there. Now you can continue frying. I added seasoning into this and I added salt. Of course, be careful with your salt. Remember, once you continue to fry it, it keeps reducing and reducing, and the quantity will keep reducing. So I'll tell you, add your salt bit by bit. You can always adjust the salt at the end. Lovelies, after about 3 hours, this is what I have. Yes, I fried it on the low heat. It did not get burnt, but the result is amazing. Take your time to do this and you will love it.